What's poppin', Mayhem Goddess crew? I will be going over the Milani Gilded Violet palette, which is one of the third or second, however you want to count it. It's one of the new ones. So I told you before, I picked up all three, and this will be the final review on the third one. That's the new one. So if you want to know how I got this look, make sure you go on ahead and subscribe to my channel, where you get makeup tips and tricks and sometimes some hair-ish videos.
And if you ain't subscribed, what's the problem? It's free. The button's right down there.
And if you are a Mayhem Goddess OG, drop your crowns down below. And
welcome back to another video.
So we've already been over the other two palettes. Am I correct? I am correct. If you haven't seen it, make sure you check it out right there in the eye. Alright? So, as follows. The colors in here are Your Majesty, Very Violet, Past Curfew, No Angel, Kiss Kiss, Deep End, Heavy Petal, Meldorama, Full Moon, and the two highlighters is Seeing Stars and It's Delicate. You get a pretty decent amount of purples into this palette. They're nothing too crazy, but I tell you one thing, this blue, I told y'all, my favorite color is blue. So I tried my best to veer away from that blue. I think I went ahead and rambled on enough, so let's go on ahead and get this look popping. Alright, let's get this look started. So the first thing I'm going to do is go into this color called Meldorama. And I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush, and I'm going to be applying that up here. Oh, by the way, my eyes has already been primed because we've been through this. Me and you been through this a bazillion times, right? So we all know what I use, right? That up here. That's some of my favorite primer because it's very kind of thick and matte. So I'm going to be taking my fluffy brush and I'm going to be applying that just above the brow bone and keep this nice little circular thing going around the eyeball. Now that we got this nice little circular motion thing going on, circular motion, you get it? Circular motion. Now that we got this nice circular motion going on, I'm going to go into the color called Very Violet. And I'm going to be placing that right above this Meldorama. And, well, not above, but right. Lord have mercy. I can't talk. You see where I'm going with this? Can't talk. So, we're going to place it right here. And we're going to go on ahead and blend it up. So we could get this a nice little, this situation going. You know what I mean? Alright, girl. Today, we going to do a nice little cut crease, a half cut crease. I don't want to do a full one because I want to keep this look very, I don't know what I'm saying, but I know where I'm going with it because I already got this eye done. So I'm going to be using this cut crease canvas, and then I'm going to go on ahead and half cut my crease so we can what? Fill in the blank pieces. Don't you just love it when your cut crease just comes out just so crisp? It just comes out crisp. Like, it's crisp. I can't explain it. But the next color we gonna go into is called No Angel. And we're gonna put that in the blank pieces. Now that we got this kind of pink purplish color going on, we gonna go back into Very Violet, and then we gonna start to blend these colors together, girl. We almost there. Have you picked up your palette? I want to know. What do you think? Which one have you picked up? Which one do you like? I'm starting to feel this purple one totally giving me straight up Aquarius vibes. Just saying. Where all my Aquariuses at? Whoop whoop. Now going back into Very Violet, we're going to take that on the bottom lash line with an angle brush and try not to poke your eye out. I get really sensitive down here. I got sensitive eyes. And I just want to point out, if your hands don't look like this, all this going on, you ain't having fun. And for eyeliner, I'm going to be using this Tarte's Clay Paint eyeliner. I just recently started using this, and I have to say, I quite like it a lot. The thing I got to say is give me a moment of silence that I can make them match. So I think that this is as close as I'm going to get to being even. So, because I want to keep this eye look very open, I'm going to be going into some white eyeliner. You can use whatever you want to. And I'm just going to put that at the waterline. Now that I have my face pretty much done, the last step to do is to go into one of these highlighters. And I think I'm going to use It's a Delicate. Let's see what she can do. So far, I haven't been disappointed with the highlighters in here. What you think? Can you say it? Yeah, buddy. I told you, you can never have too much highlighter. I mean, maybe you can. I kind of go overboard with mine. Just because when it hits it like that, so pretty. So that concludes this look for the Milani Gilded Violet palette. I really do like this palette out of all of them. And as promised, this is my review on all three. I hope you enjoyed this little mini short series. If you haven't checked out the other videos, make sure you do so. Right above here, or here, is somewhere up there where you see the eye, okay? I really love the purples and the blues that they have included into this palette. So cute. And I like the highlighter with the purple reflex in there. That is also really cute. Although on camera, I think it's giving off a green shimmer, but it ain't. It's purple. Trust me, it's purple. So you let me know which out of the three, if you watched the series, that you like the most. Leave your comments down below. If you made it this far, give me a hashtag I made it, and I really do appreciate every single last one of you. Until further ado, it's been me, your girl, Mayhem Beauty, and I will catch you in the next video.